Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabySora token. Name of the token is BabySora and ticker symbol is also BabySora. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token. And they already have a decent amount of holders, and it was just announced they are getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 7th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the BabySora token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the BabySora token. So, BabySora, a fusion of Baby and Sora, obviously, poised to revolutionize the artificial intelligence chat system and trading bots. Don't miss out on this unique trend. Embrace the future with BabySora for unparalleled trading experiences. Join us and choose BabySora for cutting-edge AI assistance in trading. So like I said, it's a BEP20 token. There is a lot of tokens. There is a total supply here of 420 quadrillion tokens. They already have 3,782 holders. According to their BSC scan, it says this token is up 62% today. They have a fully diluted market cap of $793,380, and there is 9 decimal places on this token. You can follow their Telegram at BabySora_global. You can preview the Telegram channel. It has 1,521 subscribers on there. And it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 7th at 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BabySora, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you go to their web page, which is at BabySora.vip, you can also find a full white paper over there that's going to have all the information regarding this token, as well as on their Twitter is going to have tons of links and information on there as well, and updates about brand new listings like the MEXC Global Listing. So you can have a look at that Twitter there in the corner of the screen, which is at BabySora_AI, 93 tweets, 1,877 members, blue verified check mark. And they have a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter as well. And then their newest tweet here is about their new MEXC Global listing from 8 hours ago. So BabySora will be a new phenomenon for the combination of Baby and Sora. This will be a breakthrough project with many special plans when implemented. If you are a long-term investor in the crypto market, the baby trend has become a big trend, and we will combine this to create something special. Here are some of the reasons that you cannot miss BabySora. Number 1 is a strong team with a reputation in the industry. Large marketing fund for big growth. The decentralized finance and artificial intelligence ecosystem is constantly expanding. Safety for participants with many large audit plans. Take advantage of this good opportunity to increase profits. We are committed to always building a strong community and developing long-term projects to bring significant profits. In addition, we will also aim to apply and use AI technologies in the development process to realize serving users in real life the benefits of products that will be launched in the future. Now, the way this reads, it seems like it's translated, so just be aware that their white paper and web page might be a little bit off because the grammar is translated most likely. So we've assembled a large team divided into 5 small groups to implement BabySora. The special thing we want to mention is that the majority of the members are knowledgeable in both cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. This is an advantage so we can apply AI tech to our projects effectively and safely. All members will work with the aim of moving BabySora forwards and bringing benefits to all participants. In the near future after launch, we will add additional personnel in several Asian and European countries. We aim to provide the best support for users in each country for language differences. We can apply this to any project. We will post specific information on main pages to keep you updated. We want to build a project that brings many benefits to investors. It will be developed for the long term, many achievements for the community. In addition, we will apply AI tech, new updates, new trends to meet users' needs. BabySora can also gather large communities in the world with one common goal of building a positive and growing community. And in the future, we will develop many products for our users to use. So we have a positive vision, and we're going to make a memorable mark on the market. Now, they are part of the BabySora meme revolution. On their white paper, they do have a partners section. They have a roadmap, tokenomics, social medias, all that type of stuff here. So we are committed to the safety of our community. Several audits will be implemented as quick as possible. We will be collaborating with many influencers, crypto communities across different countries. Set up a huge network of people, influencers, etc. And the combination, of course, of blockchain and AI. So the roadmap, skip down to that here. Their white paper, by the way, you can find at babysorai.gitbook.io/white paper. That's going to have all the info. So phase 1 is build the website, then social media, then contract, smart contract audit, INO NFT boxes. And then we have community events, pink sale, pre-sale. So this was on pink sale. And then big marketing pre-launch, partnerships with different communities and call channels, more members, more holders, launch on PancakeSwap, multi-platform trending, bigger community events, big partners, listing on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, trending campaign, press marketing campaign, first central exchange listings, reach 5,000 holders, first AI product release, BabySora staking pool release, BabySora wallet release, BabySora Visa release, and then second AI product release. And then they also have tokenomics, so 9.9% of the tokens will be burned, 60.7% went to pre-sale, 29.4% went to liquidity. And if you are going to buy or sell this token from a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap, there is going to be a 5% tax on buys, sells, and maybe transfers, and it all goes to marketing. It's kind of a lame tax, but if you get this token off MEXC Global tomorrow, there will be minimal fees. There's very low fees on MEXC Global and on CoinEx Global, basically all the referral codes I got down there. Very low fees on those exchanges, which is why I personally use those, but that's not financial advice, of course. But that's where you can find this token listed as of tomorrow is on MEXC Global, so make sure you check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.